Hey everyone, Dr. Richards here, and I just wanted to introduce our newest technology called the Icoone. It's both innovative and non-invasive, focusing lymphatic drainage, all healthcare, medical purposes, and beauty benefits, from cell regeneration, remodeling, firming and toning the tissue, muscle relaxation, and all those great things. We're going to give you a little demo today on what treatment's like in the clinic using the machine. Here we are starting with just a full body base treatment targeting lymphatic drainage, overall congestion, and just prepping the body for a more focused treatment. The treatment provided here is using the Robo Twins. These devices use a pressure gradient. Depending on the treatment that is being focused, there's going to be a variant to the type of suction that's being used. It can be a little more aggressive, a little more pulsating. You can always change the intensity depending on the patient tolerance. The rolling technology is super painless and comfortable for the client as they are wearing this bodysuit, so no skin is damaged. It's quite a comfortable process for the patient or client. After a good chunk of time is spent on this overall base, the body is now ready to improve more tissue quality, focus on targeting the abdomen and torso. This treatment is really great because it could be done every day for how non-invasive it is and how comfortable it is for the patient. Typically, you're going to want to do about 1 to 10 sessions depending on what you're targeting, whether that's medical focused or beauty focused. If it's more medical, you're going to see changes around 3 visits, and if it's more beauty, you'll see a really big noticeable difference between 5 and 7.